Practice set 1.2 question number 1. The following table show the points on the number line and their coordinates. Decide whether the pair of segments given below the table are congruent or not. Means here some segments are given and that segments congruent or not that want to show, and in that table point is given and its coordinate is given. So first is segment DE and segment AB. And so distance DE first find. So distance DE is what? Now look, point D and point E. So coordinate of D is -7 and coordinate of E is 9. So distance DE how we find? Now 7 is -7 is less than 9. No? So first write 9 minus -7. Bigger number write first. So 9 plus 7 is 16. Therefore distance DE is 16. Next is distance AB. AB is equal to what then? A and B. So here 5 minus 3 is equal to 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Now look, distance DE is 16 and distance AB is 8. These two are not same. Na? Therefore segment DE is not congruent to segment AB. That is we written as segment DE not congruent to segment AB. If both distance are different, then they are not congruent. If these distance are same, then these two segments are congruent to each other. So next is segment BC and segment AD. So first find segment BC. Now B and C. So here 5 minus 2 is equal to 3 and distance AD. So coordinate of A is -3 and D is -7. So here -3 is bigger number. -3 minus -7 is equal to -3 minus plus 7. So -3 plus 7 is 4 plus 4, bigger number sign. So distance AD is 4 and distance BC is 3. Therefore this also not congruent to each other. Segment BC not congruent to segment AD. That is segment BC not congruent to segment AD. Now third is segment BE and segment AD. So find first distance BE. Now look, B and E. So bigger number is 9. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. And distance AD. AD is equal to, now A is -3 and D is -7. So -3 minus -7. So -3 minus plus 7. So 7 minus 3 is plus 4. So here is 4 and here is 4. So these two distance are same. Na? Therefore we return segment BE congruent to segment AD. That is segment BE congruent segment AD. Question number 2 is point M is the midpoint of segment AB. Point M is what? Midpoint of segment AB. So segment AB draw first. A and B. And point M is midpoint of AB. So these two are same segment. Okay. And if AB is equal to 8 centimeter. AB is what given? 8 centimeter. So AB is equal to 8. Then find the AM. So now look, AB is equal to AM plus MB. but this AM and MB both are same na, so this we written as AM plus AM. Here what write, M is a midpoint na, so M is midpoint, therefore we written AB is equal to AM plus MB. Now this AM and MB is same, so this we written as AM plus AM, and AB is what, 8. So AM plus AM is 2 AM. 8 is equal to 2 AM. So AM is equal to 8 upon 2. This multiplying goes on dividing. So AM is equal to 2 and the 2, 2 4s are 8. Therefore, AM is 4. This P is the midpoint of segment CD. If CP is equal to 2.5, then point CD. P is the midpoint of CD. Point P is midpoint of C and D. So these are same. Then CP is equal to 2.5. This is 2.5. Then this also 2.5. Na? Both are same. Then we have to find segment CD. So first write CP is equal to PD is equal to 2.5. That is given. Now P is a midpoint. Midpoint of CD. Therefore, CD is equal to CP plus PD. So CD is equal to 2.5 plus PD is also 2.5 is equal to CD is equal to 2.5 plus 2.5 is 5. Therefore, length CD is equal to 5. Question number 4. If AB is 5, BP is 2 and AP is 3.5, then compare the statement. Here what given? AB is 5, BP is 2 and AP is 3.4. Now here bigger is what? 5. No? So 5 is greater than, less than 3.4 is less than 2. Therefore this we write AP 5 is what? AB. AB is greater than, AP is greater than 2 is BP. So this is comparison. Question number 5. Write the answer to the following question with the reference to figure. Now here one figure is given and from that you have to solve all these questions. So first question is write the name of opposite ray of RP. Now look, RP, opposite ray of RP is this. First is RS and second is RT. So opposite ray of RP is RS and RT. Number 2 is write the intersection set of ray PQ and ray RP. So look, ray PQ and ray RP, this. So here which is the intersection set? What intersection set between this is? Intersection means common between, na? Common between ray PQ and ray RP is PQ is the common. If we take now this line is, and here is R, here is P and here is Q. Okay, now in this PQ is common between this RP also. Now when we take RP, then this also is the ray. So write this, ray RP is the intersection of ray PQ and the ray RP. Next is write the union set of ray PQ and ray QR. Ray PQ and ray QR. This QR means these two are PQ is like this ray and QR is this ray. So write the intersection. Intersection means QR is the intersection, this whole. Next is write the pair of opposite ray with common endpoint R. with common endpoint R. Okay, so write opposite ray. So RT is also and RQ. RQ and RT. These two are the opposite rays. 5 is state the rays of which QR is a subset. If so, QR is subset is ray RQ and ray QR. These two are the subset of the QR. Next is write any two sets with common endpoint S. With common endpoint S1. So SR or SP or ST, which also written. Here we want common endpoint S. Next write the intersection of set ray SP and ray ST. Ray SP and ray ST. Intersection means common point. Write the common point. Point S is the intersection of ray SP and ST. Question number 6. Answer the following question. Now here one number line is given and that questions are given. So first question is the state the points which are equidistant from point B. Now equidistance means what? Which are same distance from point B. Now look, point B is here and C and point A. These two are the same distance from point B, and these two also P and point D. So right, first point A and point C, point P and point D. These two are the equidistance from point B. Next is write a pair of points equidistance from point Q. Now look, from point Q. Now U and L. So right, point L and point U. These two are equidistance. Next is point R and point P. These two are equidistance from point Q. Next is find distance UV, distance PC and distance VB and distance UL. So first find distance UV. Now look, U and V. Point U and point V. Now here is minus 4. So here is minus 5. And here is 4. So here is 5. So coordinate of U is minus 5 and coordinate of V is 5. So 5 minus 5. So 5 plus 5 is 10. So distance UV is 10. Next is distance PC. This P and C. Now coordinate of C is 4 and coordinate of P is minus 2. So 4 minus 2 is equal to 4 plus 2 is 6. So distance PC is 6. Next is distance VB. Now look, this V and B. So coordinate of V is 5 and coordinate of B is 2. So 5 minus 2 is 3. So distance VB is 3. Next is distance UL. Now look, U and L. So here is minus 3. So coordinate of point L is minus 3 and coordinate of U is minus 5. So minus 3 minus 5. This minus get plus. So minus 3 plus 5 is equal to 2.